you're looking for the most amazing Jeep Wrangler that has a power convertible top, tow package, and an amazing media center, then you'll definitely want to stay tuned and check this out. I'm Alana here at WowWoodys Automotive Group in Chillicothe, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Raters Dealer of the Year for the past 2 years, and you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So, it comes in a black exterior color. You have red accents throughout. You can see it on your 2 tow hooks in the front. Love the design of the hood scoops on your hood, your headlamps, your accent lamps to the sides, fog lamps below. Just everything is really nicely redesigned for 2018. You have your Rubicon badging across the side, and your engine is a 2-liter inline-4 turbo e-torque. Then looking down at your wheels, they are 17-inch wheels, massive tires, and then you have your, and they are trail rated, so you have your trail rated 4x4 badging, and your Jeep Wrangler Unlimited badging, your decal. Could fall under our certification if it does. It'd be our 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain, 3-month, 3,000-mile max care coverage, and more. And to learn more about that warranty, give us a call here at WowWoodys. One of our friendly sales advisors will get you more information about that. Your side mirrors are powered and heated with blind spot monitoring and cross path detection, so that will alert you if there's a vehicle in your blind spot. Just looking at these front seats, we have these amazing cloth seats with your Rubicon embroidered in the middle, red exposed stitching, and they're heated. So if you're just a little bit cold, have it nice and toasty. Then looking at your steering wheel, it is leather wrapped. You have your cluster controls, Bluetooth streaming, and your cruise controls in the front with media controls on the back. Your media center is an 8.4-inch touchscreen brought to you by Uconnect. So you have your radio options here, and you can subscribe to Sirius XM if you choose to. You have all of your media controls here. Your climate controls, which are dual, so you can have it at different settings on each side. You have all your different Uconnect apps you can subscribe to, utilize, travel link, Wi-Fi hotspot, and other things that come pre-installed like your projection manager and your off-roading pages. So you have your off-roading pages here. Your drivetrain, accessory gauges, your pitch and roll. So this gives you a really in-depth look. If you're going off-roading, you can just use that. Then here are your buttons for your heated seats and your heated steering wheel. And then I love that the 18 Jeeps have backup cameras too. Look at how clear that picture is. It is incredible. So you really will know if it's safe to back up when you're in this vehicle. Then you have your navigation controls. So this will get you right to your destination using this map powered by Garmin. And you have your phone settings so you can connect your phone with Bluetooth, make phone calls, and text messages. Down below, you have your radio, climate controls, everything in button form, your heated seat buttons. You also have your hill descent, your parking sensors, traction control, stop and go, and then your window buttons are here with a 12-volt aux port, USB port, and your charging lightning port. Then you have all of your auxiliaries if you want to install things, and then your sway bar. This is an automatic. You have your 2 cup holders here, and then your center console has 2 layers to that top layer, and then you have more room down below with a USB port. So you have universal garage door openers, SOS assist, which is describable, and then this has a power convertible top. So just have that one button. It'll open up entirely the roof of this vehicle. Really amazing, just super convenient if you're driving and you want to have the top down, then that's, you know, amazing. All the Jeep Wranglers can do that, but this one, you know, if it starts raining, you can just close it back up. Really easy, super convenient, and just a ton of fun to be able to just open it up with the push of a button. So let's take a look at the back seats. Okay, so looking in this back seat, you have room for 3 passengers in the back. You have all of your window buttons, your charging ports, and a 115-volt right there with your 2 cup holders. And then again, just take a look at the roof with that open. It's amazing. You also have your sound bar right there. Then making your way around the side, you have your full-size spare tire, your LED tail lamps, and your rear sensing system, along with your tow package and a tow hook on the side. And this has remote start on your key fob. So let's take a look into the back. Just open this up. You have lots of room. Those seats can fold down as well. So if you want to have the entire back flat to give you space for more cargo, you can. And then you have that Alpine subwoofer on the side. So overall, love this Jeep. Love everything about it. That amazing media center, those heated seats, but especially that power sky sunroof. So if you want to see this Jeep Wrangler or any of our other SUVs, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
Where are you guys from?
From the Kansas City area, Shawnee.
Montrose, Colorado.
Claremore, Oklahoma.
Baton Rouge, Louisiana.
Parkville, Missouri.
I'm from Southern California.
Absolutely, yes.
No question about it.
Already done it.
Sure, yeah.
Yeah, I would say for sure.
Yeah, no.
Of course I would. For anyone. I would definitely tell you this is a great experience for anyone to have. If you're shopping for a vehicle, any kind of vehicle, WowWoodys is the place to be.
Of course.
Okay, well thank you for taking the time.
Yeah, you're well welcome.